In Korea, calling someone
너
or
당신
can feel almost like starting a fight. This is because using second-person pronouns like
너
is considered disrespectful in Korean. Korean is one of only 7 languages that avoid second-person pronouns to show politeness. These languages account for just 3% of all languages. But it's not just about
너
even directly calling someone by their name is generally seen as rude. That's why, like Voldemort in Harry Potter, Koreans rarely use each other's names directly. So, how do Koreans address each other? Koreans use
호칭
meaning address terms to replace both names and you. When deciding which title to use, you need to consider several factors. I know this can be tricky, it confuses us too. So today, I'll introduce you to 2 must-know titles, which will be especially helpful when you're traveling in Korea.
이모님
This translates to aunt, but it's used to politely address middle-aged women who work in casual restaurants or traditional markets. Interestingly, babysitters or housekeepers are also often called
이모님 사장님
literally means owner. But in casual restaurants or traditional markets, customers often use this title to address the staff. It's generally used for men. Let's practice speaking. When you're ready to order food in a casual restaurant, you can say something like this.
이모님 주문할게요 사장님 주문할게요
Remember, even native Koreans find it hard to choose the right title, so don't assume one title fits all. Just ask Koreans first. I recommend watching Korean dramas and paying attention to how people address each other to learn different address terms. What do you think about this custom? Let me know how people address each other in your language and culture. Are there words similar to
이모님
or
사장님
in your language? How do you call a waiter in a casual restaurant?
If this is your first time watching, I'm Sunny, your Korean study buddy. In my videos, you will learn Korean with fan stories and pictures. 안녕!